Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine coming to you from Panyee Village. Now most people who visit Panyee Village do it during the day, but we're here at nighttime as part of our bioluminescence tour, and as I turn around you're going to see some of our boats here ready. Now this is the dinner stop that we do at sunset before we head off to go and see the bioluminescence. Now I'm often asked, are you able to see the bioluminescence on a daily basis? And the answer is yes, because in Phuket we have 3 different types of bioluminescence. The first one we have is plankton based, and this is what I call a phosphorus bioluminescence, which means it's a white bioluminescence that's available all year round. We also have a blue and a green. The blue and green ones are normally algae based, and they come and go with the tide and the time of year. So today we're going to go after dinner, we're going to go see the phosphorus kind of bioluminescence, which is activated by movement in the water. So what we're going to do is either we're going to find a beach, a cave or a cove, and we're going to either park the boat on the beach and go in the water and move our hands around the water, and you'll see it a little bit like Superman as the white phosphorus comes behind our hands, or we'd take a canoe and go into a cave and you can do the same off a canoe. So this is a tour that we operate as a private tour on a daily basis, and probably one of the most popular tours that we operate. What we do need to be able to do the tour is we need a dark night, which means that we need to have after sunset time to make it work. If we're doing it prior to sunset, the phosphorus doesn't show up. So generally this tour will depart somewhere around lunchtime or just after, and we recommend to have lunch before boarding. Then we come on out to the bay and we explore the bay. So as an example, today I went to Hong Island and did some canoeing through the Hongs. After that we went on to James Bond Island. After that we went to Panyee and we went into Ice Cream Cave. And after Ice Cream Cave we went for a swim, and now we've come here to have some dinner. Post dinner we're off to go to see the bioluminescence and then back to the pier. This is a great, what we like to call soft tour, meaning it's good for anybody of any age. So if you're a family with young kids, or you're a family with mixed ages, you're bringing your grandparents with you, there's something for everyone, from the beauty of the bay, the 40 plus islands, to the canoeing through the Hongs, to the swimming, to the cave exploring, and then finally end it with that magical bioluminescence experience. And as I did say, here at Panyee, nearly everything closes in the evening, but our company, we have a special deal with a restaurant here that stays open, so our guests are able to eat and enjoy themselves while they're here. So dinner's looking quite good. It looks like it's a Thai menu today. Some fried rice there, looks like a nice chicken curry. Excited to get into it. If you're coming to Phuket and you've done nearly every tour that has been done, I can guarantee you probably haven't done this bioluminescence tour. So strongly recommend that you find a way to get on the tour and come and see what the bioluminescence is all about.